Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are shining the spotlight on the stunning Kiara Advani and her impeccable traditional fashion choices. From elegant saris to gorgeous lehengas, Kiara knows how to make a statement in every outfit. Let's get started. Kiara has been seen wearing rich Banarasi silk saris, which are known for their luxurious texture and intricate weaving. These saris often feature traditional motifs and zari work. She has also spotted Kanjivaram saris, which are characterized by their vibrant colors and heavy gold borders. These saris often have temple motifs, adding a regal touch to her look. The actress frequently dons saris designed by Manish Malhotra. These saris are usually modern takes on traditional designs, featuring contemporary cuts, sequins, and embroidery. She has been seen in sheer saris with delicate embellishments, giving a blend of sensuality and elegance. These saris often have a minimalistic yet impactful appeal. For special occasions and weddings, she opts for heavily embellished lehengas. These outfits are adorned with intricate embroidery, sequins, and beads, making them perfect for grand celebrations. Lehengas featuring traditional Indian crafts such as Zadozi, Gotapati, and mirror work are also a part of her wardrobe, showcasing her appreciation for Indian artisanship. The actress often chooses pastel-colored lehengas, which provide a soft and sophisticated look. These lehengas usually have minimalistic embroidery and a flowy silhouette, offering a modern twist to traditional wear. Her flow-length anarkalis often feature heavy embroidery and rich fabrics like velvet or silk, giving her a regal and majestic appearance. These are perfect for formal events and festive occasions. She also wears anarkalis with contemporary cuts and patterns, blending traditional designs with modern aesthetics. She embraces traditional prints like bandhani and tie-dye, which are perfect for festive events and add a cultural touch to her wardrobe. Intricately embroidered kurta sets in bright colors are a staple for her during festive seasons, offering both elegance and comfort. The actress has been seen in gharara sets, which feature flared pants and short kurtas, often adorned with heavy embroidery and embellishments. She often opts for elegant ivory and gold outfits, such as saris or lehengas, which are timeless and sophisticated. Soft pastel lehengas with delicate embroidery are a favorite for wedding functions, striking the right balance between understated and festive. Chikankari suits and saris, known for their subtle yet intricate embroidery, are also part of her wedding guest wardrobe. For special occasions, she pairs her outfits with heavily embroidered or embellished dupattas, which enhance the overall look. Simple stoles or shawls with delicate embroidery or prints are often used to complement her simpler outfits, adding a touch of sophistication. Traditional jutis and mojaris, often embellished or embroidered, are a frequent choice, perfectly matching her ethnic outfits. For more formal occasions, she opts for heeled sandals or stilettos, which add elegance and poise to her look. The actress often chooses monotone outfits with intricate details, creating a striking yet elegant appearance. She skillfully mixes and matches different pieces, such as pairing a simple kurta with an elaborate dupatta or a heavy lehenga skirt with a plain blouse, showcasing her creative styling abilities. While she does embrace heavy embellishments for certain occasions, her minimalistic approach, with clean lines and subtle details, often stands out, making her a favorite among those who appreciate understated elegance. These traditional Rajasthani prints are a frequent choice, adding vibrant patterns and colors to her wardrobe. The actress appreciates the intricate weaving techniques of patola and ikat, often choosing these fabrics for saris and kurtas. She embraces luxurious fabrics like chanderi and Banarasi silk, known for their sheen and detailed brocade work, perfect for festive and wedding wear. The beauty often carries portly bags, which are intricately designed with embroidery and embellishments, complementing her ethnic attire. For a traditional touch, she sometimes adorns a naad, especially during weddings and cultural events, adding a regal element to her look. Kiara frequently sports a bindi, which is a quintessential element of Indian traditional fashion, adding to the authenticity of her ethnic ensembles. She often opts for the classic shoulder drape, allowing the dupatta to flow elegantly. For a contemporary twist, the actress sometimes belts her dupatta at the waist, creating a modern silhouette while keeping the traditional essence intact. Draping the dupatta over one shoulder and letting it cascade down the front adds a touch of sophistication and allows for more freedom of movement. She often pairs traditional outfits with statement choker necklaces, which add a modern flair to her look. Combining multiple necklaces of varying lengths, Kiara creates a rich, layered effect that enhances the depth and dimension of her ensemble. For simpler, more modern looks, she sometimes chooses minimalist jewelry pieces that complement without overpowering her outfit. She often styles her hair in sleek buns or intricate updos, adorned with traditional hair accessories like gajras for a classic look. Wearing her hair in loose waves complemented by a maan tikka gives her a romantic and elegant appearance, suitable for weddings and festive events. She often accessorizes with pashmina shawls, known for their softness and warmth, adding an elegant layer to her outfits. The beauty incorporates layering techniques, such as wearing long jackets or capes over her traditional wear, ensuring both style and comfort during colder months. She opts for organic fabrics like organic cotton and khadi, which are both eco-friendly and stylish. Supporting artisans and traditional craftsmanship, she often wears handloom saris and handcrafted outfits, promoting sustainable fashion. She sometimes chooses jewelry made from recycled materials, showcasing her commitment to sustainable and ethical fashion practices. Kiara Advani's traditional fashion choices are a rich tapestry of India's diverse cultural heritage, seamlessly blending classic elegance with contemporary trends. Her wardrobe is a celebration of India's textile diversity, featuring an array of fabrics like silk, chiffon, georgette, and velvet. She frequently dons designer saris by Manish Malhotra and Sabyasachi, which are adorned with intricate embroidery, sequins, and traditional motifs. Her lehengas are equally stunning, often featuring heavy Zardozi work, beadwork, and floral patterns, with pastel shades being a favorite for their modern appeal. Anarkalis, salwar kameez, and sharara suits also feature prominently in her collection, showcasing a mix of floor-length gowns, palazzo suits, and flared pants with short kurtas, each piece reflecting her keen eye for detail and comfort. Her accessory choices further enhance her traditional outfits. Statement earrings, such as chunbalis and jhumkas, along with maan tikkas, pasas, and bangles, add a regal touch to her ensembles. The actress often carries intricately designed potli bags and sports bindis, nats, and even minimalist jewelry for a balanced look. Her hairstyles range from braided styles adorned with flowers to loose waves paired with maan tikkas, complementing her attire perfectly. Her footwear choices include traditional juttis, mojaris, kolhapuri sandals, and heeled sandals, aligning with her outfit's aesthetic. Dupatta draping styles add another layer of elegance to her look, whether it's a classic shoulder drape, a belted style, or a cascading side drape. Her fusion wear, which combines Western elements with traditional Indian clothing, showcases her innovative fashion sense, often featuring crop tops with lehenga skirts, capes over saris, and dhoti pants with tunics. Her festive outfits are vibrant and culturally rich, incorporating prints like bandhani, lahariya, and intricate embroideries. For weddings and red carpet events, she opts for heavily embellished gowns, modern silhouettes, and luxurious fabrics like chanderi and Banarasi silk. Kiara's sustainable fashion choices highlight her commitment to eco-friendly practices, with organic fabrics, handloom saris, and recycled jewelry often making an appearance. Her regional style influences are evident in her use of South Indian silks, Punjabi suits, and Gujarati mirror work, reflecting India's cultural diversity. Whether for casual wear, travel, or winter fashion, the actress seamlessly adapts her traditional style, incorporating comfort without compromising on elegance. Her ability to mix and match different elements, experiment with various styles, and maintain attention to detail makes Kiara Advani a true fashion icon in the realm of traditional Indian fashion, inspiring many to embrace and explore the richness of Indian ethnic wear. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.